Hi everyone, Eugene at Panasonic here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can update your camera to the latest firmware version. Before we do that, I just want to give you a heads up about what you're going to need in order to do that. So obviously we're going to need a PC or a Mac that's connected to the internet. You're also going to need an SD card reader, or if your computer has an SD card reader functionality, that's great. You're going to need an SD card that's compatible with the camera and that's formatted on the camera. And you're also going to, of course, make sure that the camera is fully charged, right? So with that in mind, the first thing that we need to do is check what the current version of the camera is so that we can compare to what the latest one is on our website before we go ahead and download anything. So let's head over to the camera here. So hopefully you can see the menu, and then to find out what your current version is simply go to the settings, then go to others one, and then go to firmware version. Select that, and then that gives you the existing body firmware and lens firmware. So on this camera I have a LUMIX S1R Mark II, and the current version is 1.0, and I actually know that in June we had another version launched and available. So in order to download it, we're going to head over to our computer here, and we head over to this global link where we can download the latest firmware. We're going to link this particular URL in the description below, so all you need to do is just click on it and it'll take you straight to the page that you're seeing right now. So all you need to do on this page, you can search by the model number, or you can simply list you can look in the list here where the camera bodies are listed, and we can see that we have version 1.2 available. So we're just going to click to the download page, which brings us to this step here. We also have a detailed procedure for the update available here, which is basically a more detailed version of what I'm doing here. And under that, you can already see there's a lot more information about what this particular version brings. So what you have to keep in mind is that we have one file type that we are going to download, which is a zip. It's a compressed file. We're going to have to decompress it, open it, and take the file that's within that compressed file and paste that to the root folder on our SD card, which is currently connected to my computer. So let's do just that. We're going to hit download, which is going to take us to another page. We're going to accept the software license agreement over here, and that's going to now download our file. Now, to speed things up, I actually copied the file within. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So if I just open this zip file, it's going to give me this S1RM2V12. It says video file, and then I have 14574. So that's basically the actual size of that file. And now I'm gonna head over to my LUMIX SD card, and here we can see I already pasted earlier that particular file. Now all I need to do is just going to click away and then eject that safely. There we go. Continue. And then we can actually take out the SD card, right? And we're going to switch off the camera. We're going to connect the SD card to the SD card slot. And if I haven't mentioned already, make sure that that file is actually in the root folder. So as you saw, there wasn't any other folder within that SD card. I'm going to turn on the camera again. And if we switch to the camera feed, we're now going to be able to see again, if we go the same place, firmware version, select that, and this time we just have to select firmware update. We get a bit of a note to please wait, and because the camera detected that there is newer software available on the SD card, it just asked me start update. I'm going to select yes. Confirm. That of course is going to take a little bit of time. Please make sure that you do not turn off the camera during this process, because that could actually lead to issues. So this is where we're going to stop the video. I'm gonna start the update. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Hopefully this helps. And if you need more information about how to use your LUMIX cameras, have a look at the channel. If you're interested in purchasing this beautiful S1R Mark II or any other LUMIX cameras, head over into the description where you can find out the links to the online stores. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.